a student loan and you are teaching, stop pay the loan?
Yes, they don't have to pay the loan anymore.
So Damion Crawford is at it again, making promises that if his party is elected, they will be forgiving student loans for teachers who are in the profession. Well, for a continue, ensure that you like, follow, share, and comment. Just ensure that you're being respectful, okay? Here is my problem with that though. That is a beautiful idea. I think we should be seeing the government doing more to encourage teachers and nurses and so forth. The professions that we're having difficulty in retaining the promising individuals in these professions. They should be doing more. I like that. I like that idea. However, and here's my problem, however, why is it that when these parties are in opposition, they have all these revolutionary ideas, but the moment they become a part of the governing government, that doesn't make no sense. The moment they become a part of the government, the moment they're elected into power, they all of a sudden develop amnesia. I don't know if climbing the stairs up to leading the country, somehow they slip and fell and hit their head and they cause a concussion. And if that's the case, oh my gosh, I apologize. Hopefully you can get a doctor to look at that. But why is it so? And before my fellow Jamaicans get up in arms and decide that they're going to vote in the next government based on promises, and I do not care if you're JLP or PMP, because the election is coming up, I want you to ask yourself and your fellow man a simple question. In the past, did they implement the promises they made when they were in power? Did they? Yes or no? And also, why didn't they? Those are my thoughts. Share yours in the comment section.